What's up, everybody? This is Steven Palomino for my Java 2 Week 3 video review. I'm just going to go through the app real quick and then the code. There's quite a bit to cover, so let's go ahead. My app was just a guitar tracking app. If you found some guitar, for example, that you liked and wanted to track it, this would be the app for you. So I went ahead and created a guitar and saved it, and you can see everything refreshes and shows there. Let's add one more and then we'll delete something. Let's quickly add a few things here. Save. When we view, you can open external, and that'll open the action view, anything that responds to action view. So in this case it was just a browser, default browser, and it will Google the the brand for you. So there is search for Taylor. Next thing we'll do is delete, and then you can see it says entry deleted, and everything was refreshed here, and everything was working as it's supposed to. Next thing we'll do is go through the code over here. First thing, the main activity. Pretty basic here. I've got two callbacks here with my start activity for result. So I've got a delete one and a add request one that I'm pulling up here. I decided to, instead of doing any methods that update the table view, I could just replace the table view and refresh the fragment. So I'm just replacing the fragment each time I either add or delete. That way it's more centralized, and I don't have to call methods back and forth in random places. So that's what I did for that. If we go into the add activity over here, arrange some of this stuff here, sorry. The add activity, pretty basic here, not much going on with the actual activity except for the excuse me, for the getting some of the objects and then writing them. So over here I'm getting the objects for once it's added in the fragment, it'll pass it back to over here. It'll pass it back to the activity, and so it will take what's already in there and then write it to a file. And so basically, instead of just passing objects back and forth, I will write it to an array, then write the array to the file, and then update or add or delete anything in the array. So basically, I wouldn't have to pass objects back and forth. It would just have to be I download or get the file, add or remove. I do pass back the index, which helps keep track of what's in the file. But other than that, that's how I solve that. In my my add fragment, this is where I'm actually getting, getting the text or setting things, and then passing it back. And then in my detail, or the view would be activity and fragment, I'm just pulling in the information from the fragment, pulling it in from the file here again, and then setting everything and then passing it back again. And this is also where the implicit intent is here with the action view. So that's where that'll get called, or the delete here, it'll pass back the position and the array. So it knows which one to delete from the array. And then lastly is just the guitar's object. So I've got 4 things here, and that's it. It was a great week. It was a little difficult to get a lot of the information, so a lot of Googling, but other than that, I think I understand most of what's going on. I'm pretty sure it'll just be, practicing stuff and getting used to it. But again, my name is Steven Palomino, and this has been my Java 2 Week 3 video review. Thanks for watching.